Okay. We purchased a self-eating meal.
Heater meal from a
Eating meal.
TA travel center.
Yeah.
First one I've ever
It's
seen.
a 3/4 pound entree, and it heats itself basically. It heats itself.
Oh.
So let's have a look what we
Let's
do.
see how.
Let's pull it open. Okay, it's gotta be this one. Okay, it's gotta
Close
be this
enough.
one. Well, it's pretty well sealed. Okay, and then inside was like a biohazard bag for the needles.
It does look like it.
Okay, well, it comes with a spoon. It's pretty good. Some seasoning, a wipe. That's pretty good. I mean, it's like that. I feel like I'm on an airplane. Okay, then we have a bag of water, standard water. The meal itself.
What's the water for? Drinking?
It activates the inbuilt heater,
Oh, okay.
which feels like a sanity pad towel. Okay, so we open this. I think. Insert unopened meal inside food heater bag.
What's this thing here?
That's how to reseal it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna open this. Yeah.
Careful not to do it wrong. This thing costs $5.
Oh no. Okay, I got it. Insert the meal inside the bag with the meal
Still sealed?
upside down. Still sealed. There's the heater baggie.
Oh, I see.
It's not coming out, but it is patented. Serious business. And so on the pad, and then we reseal the bag. Yeah, that didn't quite work. You can put anything in it, breakfast pancakes, anything. Oh, wait. Before we reseal it, put some water in there. Alright, tap a notch in water and pour it in. Ready?
Yep.
That's gonna start the heater within 20 seconds. Then I think you have to be like, oh no, quick. It doesn't even reseal. Okay, details.
I see you just hold it closed for 12 minutes. That's how long it takes to heat, right?
Yeah. Then place the bag back in the box. Heater bag may be used without box for field use.
Field.
I guess if
You're in a field?
It's not warm. Oh, it's getting warm. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, yeah?
Hot.
I want to see.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, it is hot.
It's like emergency. I'm up a mountain and dying. Oh, you can feel it bubbling. Oh, I reckon it's getting too hot.
Alright.
Sounds like it's gonna explode. Okay.
Alright, so now we wait for 12 minutes, right?
Yeah, 10 to 12 minutes.
Oh.
Meal is hot. That's a guarantee. Meal is hot.
Okay. Yeah, it is hot. Wow. So it's steaming. I guess it's cooking.
The meal's steaming.
It's
Attracting attention.
it's bubbling and you can hear it and you can feel it vibrating.
Let me trap the steam in and
Yeah.
release. Ready?
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Heater meal. Looks like it's on fire.
Give it a shake.
People are gonna be like, what the heck?
I should trip the smoke detector. Yeah, but you sold me a heater meal. You sold me a heater meal.
It's not my fault.
Wearing the building cap.
I guess that's what the $5 is for.
Imagine if you didn't buy it in a place where you made it, like a casino.
Yeah, just took that in.
Get out of here. Causing trouble.
Oh my god, ow. That was hot. Careful, you're gonna
Tamale,
burn
isn't it?
yourself. This is what the caution is for. They're not kidding with
While
that.
it's heating, I'll do the most important bit of the video.
What's that?
Open this bag.
Meh.
You get a spoon. You get a gourmet no salt seasoning, custom blend, and moist
Yay.
towelette,
For after.
and some S&P.
S&P.
A napkin.
Well, you already have a moist towelette.
Well, if you already have a moist towelette, then you can use this for when it comes out the other end.
Yeah. Clever.
That's their plan, right?
I think so.
And if you buy it from an ETA, you can get your own pup.
It's true.
Okay, it's been enough time.
Should be all cooked now.
Yeah, getting ready. We should see exactly this, even with the parsley. So I'm guessing.
How would you feel if it really did have the parsley?
Oh, it smells.
It smells a bit funny, yeah.
It smells a bit chemical-like, but that's probably just the heating pad.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's
There it
definitely
is.
warm.
Maybe we should shake it up.
Are you ready?
Yep. Let's see what we got. There's some sauce. Ooh. Oh, that smells really good now. Ooh. Well, someone likes it. What? Why don't you try the meal? Tell me what it tastes like.
Okay. Need a bit of beef, a bit of pepper,
And a bit of rice.
Oh, that's pretty good. Pretty
Yeah?
hot. It's pretty hot too. Right.
Oh, it is pretty hot. So you like it?
Yep.
Was it worth it?
I think so.
Once? At least once, right?
I think half the money went to the heating element,
Yeah.
which defeats the purpose because there's a microwave just over there.
Oh, yeah.
But if I was up a mountain, really cold,
Yeah,
had
you'd
one of
appreciate
these,
it, huh?
Yeah, damn right. Of
Yeah.
course it would. Of course it would.
Alright, I need to eat this now.